One thing you may be interested in knowing about is Snapchat's partner program called Discover. Now, this program is pretty much out of reach of anyone who isn't a major brand because of the $750,000 a day price tag. But there are actually other ways to get on Discover than by being a partner with Snapchat. Some of the major brands are letting other brands advertise on their Discover space for a lot less than they're paying for their Discover spot. This is a way for the brands that are advertising on Discover to get back some of the money that they're spending. And it's a great way for anyone with about $50,000 to spend to get a huge amount of exposure. For smaller brands, unfortunately, there is nothing yet that they can do to start advertising with Snapchat. There would have to be some sort of major overhaul to the application if they were going to start allowing people to advertise on snaps and videos and other places around the site. Right now, there's nothing that is the equivalent of Facebook advertising for small businesses and people with products or services to promote, but that may be coming in the future. Snapchat has only recently been able to get enough followers to command the kind of rates that they're getting from their Discover program. So the bottom line here is, if you have a great deal of money to spend on advertising, then Snapchat may be exactly what you need, or at least advertising on one of the brands that are currently on or will be on Snapchat's Discover program in the near future. If you have a small business or you just want to advertise products and services, then you should use Snapchat for marketing purposes in the way that we discussed in this video series, rather than advertising directly on the platform.